December morning and all is right. Sun is shining and I don't mind. Rain is pouring and I don't mind. It's my favorite time of year that I'm so drawn near.
Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. It is finally time to decorate for the holidays at our house and I wanted to take you along with me. We're going to be crafting and making some snacks and getting ready for the holiday season together. But before we start decorating, I just wanted to announce that my new winter jewelry collection is now live on my shop. I'm so excited to finally share these pieces with you. They're very fantasy inspired and I wanted them to feel like something a snow fairy would wear. Today I'm wearing the snowfall earrings and the snow fairy necklace. I've linked all the pieces in the description below in case you're interested, and I also offer gift wrapping on all of my items for free in case you'd like to send these as a holiday gift. So early this morning I made these snow-covered pine cones. These were one of my favorite DIYs from last holiday season, and now that they're finally dry, I'm going to turn them into a pinecone garland.
Have yourself a little happy Christmas. Have a happy day. Let all your worries fall away. Once you have a little happy heart, let the dream start. Happy New Year is on its way. Something in the air is ever calling. Dear friends, together near and far away. And we are all connected to each other. We're brothers, sisters, everyone today. Have yourself a little happy Christmas. Have a happy day. Let all your worries fall away. Once you have a little happy heart, let the dream start. Happy New Year is on its way. Have a happy, happy Christmas and a happy, happy day. If you laugh, then everything will go your way. Have a happy, happy Christmas.
In the past, I would decorate all over the house with natural materials, but because we have Oberon this year, I've had to get a little bit more creative about where and how I decorate to make sure I'm keeping anything unsafe out of his reach. So I'm making this garland to hang over the kitchen window. I've cut a piece of jute twine to the length I want the garland to be, and then I'm using more twine to attach small pieces of greenery to each end. I'm working my way toward the center from either side and overlapping bunches of greenery until I reach the middle. Then I'm attaching the dried orange garland I made this fall to the center and sides of the garland. So this fall, I made so much hot spiced apple cider. It's one of my favorite drinks for the cooler months, and I was thinking about creating a more Christmassy, kind of holiday themed version of it, and I came up with a cranberry ginger spiced cider. This recipe is so good. It tastes like Christmas in a cup, and I wanted to make it today while we're decorating the house. This year, I wanted to make ornaments filled with snow-covered berries and pine for our tree. I'm using the same method I used for the pine cones earlier today to create the look of snow. I've mixed together flour and water to create a paste, and then I'm brushing it onto the top of the berries and greenery. Then I'm rolling them in salt and setting them aside to dry. I'm filling a clear ornament with some salt. This is going to create the appearance of snow. Once they've dried, I'm adding the snow-covered berries and pine into the ornaments and attaching the top. These were so easy to make, and I love how they turned out. cutest book. It's called Christmas is Coming: Traditions from Around the World by Monica Utnick, and it's all about how different countries and cultures all over the world celebrate Christmas differently, and it's super interesting and filled with really beautiful folk art illustrations. I think it's intended to be a children's book, but I would recommend this for all ages. I'm really enjoying it so far. So I hope you all enjoyed this cozy decorating video. I certainly had a wonderful time making it. I love this time of year so much, and I love getting the house ready for the holiday season so I can just fully enjoy it and be present for the next few weeks. Thank you all so much for watching, and I just wanted to say a very special thank you to my patrons for making this channel possible. I have the most wonderful community on Patreon, and I am so grateful to each and every one of you for your support. Obi and I are wishing you a wonderful holiday season, and we will see you very soon. Good night, friends.